Welcome back to GeoKloud Academy. In our today's video, we'll be looking at Normalized Difference Soil Index, which basically distinguishes soil and ice from clouds and other bright surface for exploiting snows with high reflector and green band and strong absorption in the shortwave infrared band. So we'll be using the green band and the shortwave infrared 1 band to run analysis. For this tutorial, we'll be working with Landsat 8 and 9, or the Landsat 8 to run the analysis. So let's quickly go into it. Raster Calculator. So green and shortwave infrared. Bracket close divided by bracket open, band 3 plus band 6 bracket close, just NDSI. Just a confirmation. 36, yes, NDSI, correct. Run. I can remove, just uncheck my BSI. So we've been able to generate our NDSI, which basically gives us areas with moist water areas, so snow and ice, in terms of the light reflection. So because my area is not any place with snow, the results came out as an NDMI, which is places with water body. But the concept is still the same for people in case you're going to be using a study area that has snow most often. Thank you for watching. Do have a wonderful day, and as always, happy mapping. Like, share, subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.